Nathan?
Well, we're at Heathcote Park Raceway. You just wanted more drag racing content, so we're here at Summernats Slam.
And it is unreal. We've been here already now for what, an hour or so?
Yeah.
We've already watched. It's crazy, there's so much going on. It's very much like Summernats, but in more of a drag racing thing. Actually,
Yeah.
you know what it's like? It's like Summernats meets Drag Challenge.
Yeah.
We've already watched Top Fuelers run their first round.
That was, like I tell everyone, it makes your heart skip a beat.
Yeah, unless you've experienced it, we can't explain to you just the feeling that it creates. It's absolutely unreal. We're just basically going to go for a walk around, bring you guys with us, and see what we can find, I suppose.
Yeah, drag racing, burnouts, bikes, everything.
All this was not tarmac last time we were here. The pits there, we were standing in the dirt last time, are now concreted. The track's been resurfaced as well too, only in the last 4 weeks, purely just to get the top fuelers here, and it's just an incredible amount of work. It's a credit to Heathcote Park Raceway and the work they've done here, and those that are involved doing it. Anyway, let's go for a wander.
Yeah.
Right here, right now.
Oh, that's good. This thing's tough.
At the moment, we're just watching the open. I think it's like an open class, pretty much bring what you got.
Yeah.
They're rolling on through, so we just sit back watching all that. It's awesome to see the amount of different cars that are here. And also proper dedicated drag cars. Our last experience here was like drag challenge, so they're street car drag cars. But these are like dedicated drag cars that you like big people. They're a lot louder than most street cars in town. That's drag challenge.
I know, Scotty!
How does it pick up?
Oh, around that thing boogie.
When I saw it go, I was like, that's quick.
Yeah.
Alright, we've watched a little bit of the drag racing. Awesome stuff. Awesome range of cars out there. But we're going to go check out the Burnouts now. And see that before we head back, because Top Fuel will be back on soon and we don't want to miss that.
No, we're going to get a prime position for you guys.
Yeah. It's a little fancier than our setup for drag challenge, isn't it?
What do you mean? We just had to move everything to get to everything.
We didn't even have a marquee, Nathan. There you go, Nathan.
Haven't seen you see smoke for a while. That car doesn't have skid.
That's
Yeah,
sick.
tough. We've got to find Camilleri Racing.
Oh, you want to see if you can jump in the car?
No, I want to get a jumper.
Just stand there, but hey,
Hey, my ID?
We've been watching the drags for a little while now, watching just the street cars and the drag cars coming through, but let's be honest, what we really came for here today is to see the top fuelers. We got 6 cars in total, so we're going to sit down here and watch them go by and experience something that is nothing like any other car. If you've never experienced a top fueler before, there's no way out there to explain it, then you just have to be here to experience it. I still wasn't ready for it at all. So we've been fortunate enough to get invited by the Burson team to go down to the start line, to be on the start line when the top fuelers take off. Earplugs are required. It's not a very big engine, is it, when you look at it?
Get that in your fair lane?
You think they'll notice if an engine went missing?
No.
I mean, they've got that many. Or the blower that I saw sitting inside there. I think a blower would look good on top of the 253, don't you reckon? The 253 wouldn't even turn the blower.
Yeah, I know.
Be like, "Whir." That one, dude. That's that really hard bolt.
Yeah,
that's the back of the distributor on a 253. Well, you don't get much closer than that. Look at it,
33302.
You grab one, I'll grab the other.
Big heads. Hey.
Huge heads. Oh, absolutely, we're lucky to be here. It's incredible the way that works.
Yeah.
And how quiet and calm they are. I'd be like, ah!
Yeah, but they've done it a million times.
Imagine us. We had enough trouble trying to get a wheel off. You think about all the prep, our drag racing prep is kick over the overflow hose, and zip tie it up.
Yeah.
Since you have to rebuild an engine in that time.
Incredible, absolutely incredible.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world going bad.
It never gets old.
No.
Alright, well that's it for Summernats Slam. First ever Summernats Slam.
Yeah, so this is the first ever event for this place.
Yeah.
And it was freaking wild. Love it.
It was mental. I think it was way bigger than what even they expected it to be.
Yeah.
A day full of drag racing and burnouts as well too. Probably more for the arsehole. And then you have the top fuelers of course, and the top fuelers are just absolutely next level. But yeah, we've had a ball. We're bugging now. It's been a big day.
Yeah, and this is a 2-day event. We only came on the Sunday.
We're only here on the Sunday. Like this, you can come on the Saturday as well too. That went to 8 o'clock at night. They were night racing.
That would have been awesome.
But we had good fun. We got to walk around today. Got to see everything. Got to see the burnouts. Got to spend a lot of time in the Burson Automotive pits as well too, with the top fuelers there, which is awesome to sort of walk through that and experience that, because that's the next level. That,
so that
really
puts
is
us,
cool.
onto Burson. Thank you, Burson, for having us.
Thank you, Burson, for having us today and letting us have a walk around behind the scenes.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's top fuelers are amazing. It's, being so close to one is just next level.
Yeah, just feeling the thump in the chest as they take off.
It is awesome.
It doesn't matter how much you prepare, it scares the shit out of you every single time.
Yeah.
Be sure to head on over to Burson Garage to check out the website. Get yourself a bunch of awesome deals by signing up to that. It's really worthwhile. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Our walk around of what Summernats Slam is. Awesome event. Can't wait for next year. I think it'll be just as good, if not better.
If not better,
If you liked this episode, please consider subscribing and liking, and head on over to our merch store where you can buy a bunch of Hackshop Garage merch. And don't forget to, at the moment, we're still currently running our Raceworks giveaway pack.
Yes.
To celebrate our 20,000 subscriber milestone. So head on over to this video here to find out how to enter that. I think there's a week left to go in that.
Yeah, a week left to go now.
Yeah, so head on to that because it's an awesome prize to win. Anyway,
see you in the shed.
See you in the shed, or maybe we'll be back here racing our own
actually
stuff.
no, we're going to be back racing.
Yeah, maybe this has inspired us to get the Fairlane out again, and maybe a few other cars. So until then, we'll catch you in the next episode.
Pretty much right where we're standing is where we camped last time we were here.
We were camping.
Fairlane was parked right there, and we were camping right here.
Yep, this is where our swag was, right here, and there's a fence there. Now it looks completely different.
So the fact that it got upgraded in like 2 to 3 months is incredible.
Oh, it's a massive effort.
Yeah.
Massive shout out to the work they've done here at Heathcote Park Raceway.
Yeah, and all the volunteers as well.
And all the officials here today. It's been amazing.
It's been a wicked
We sat around here till 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah,
on
with the
Eskies.
Tassie boys.
With the Tassie boys. It's a bit different now. We could build one of them in the shed. That would fit.
Oh yeah, with our welding.
Yeah.
I trust it. Do a mild steel chassis. What we need to do is all build race cars.
Huh?
We need to just all build something quick.
You just can't brace for it. You can watch the lights and you know what's about to happen, but you still go every single time. Every time when I'm standing there filming it, I think, I've just died. There's been an explosion, I'm dead.
It's ridiculous.
There's just nothing else like it, I reckon. If we had to catch you on that side of the Fairlane, we'd only have to empty it once a month. If someone handed you the keys and So go on, off you go, would you?
No.
No, neither would I. Not a chance.
I'm just going to go and watch Ross go, eh?